Hello, my name is Haukur Ingi, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a connection to Network International terminal up and running. At this point, I assume you have Atlas Central and Atlas hardware station set up and the terminal connected correctly. We begin by installing the NGPass service provided by Network International. Have the EPOS folder located on the C drive on the computer connected to the terminal. Open up command prompt and navigate to the service folder inside the EPOS folder. Once there, run the NGPass service install bat script. Allow changes 6 times, and once that is finished, you should see the message, the service NGPass has been installed. Then run NGPass service config bat script and make sure that all the settings match the ones in the documentation. Make sure that this is the full path to the JVM DLL file. If you're running the AT150 device, change the IP address to the address of the terminal and leave the ports as is. When running the AP10 device, remove the IP address and ports and type the correct COM port. You can see the COM port in use by opening up the device manager, locate ports category, right-click the nGenius device, select properties, then in port settings, select advanced to see the port number. When all settings are configured, you can start the service. Now we can go to the hardware station portal and create an EFT device. Click Create EFT, select Network International from the drop-down list, give it a unique ID and then click Create EFT device. Select the newly created device from the list. Here you can see all settings needed for the terminals. Set the IP address to the NGPass service host machine and the port 8085. Now click Load and test the connection by initiating a purchase. Give it an amount and the currency AED. The terminal should respond and ask for a card. You can then cancel the purchase on the terminal.